If you've been following my YouTube journey, you know I only been doing YouTube for about 6 months. And in that short amount of time, I've been able to grow so fast, growing my subscriber count, growing my view count, growing my engagement on my channel. And as I've been going through that journey, I've been telling y'all all the tips and everything I've been using to go ahead and grow my YouTube channel faster than everybody else starting a channel right now. So y'all got to see me start from no subscribers and actually build and climb while also telling y'all exactly what I did. And if you somebody that been following everything I've been doing, clap it up for yourself, man, because right now you reaping the benefits. Now in this video, I'm gonna give y'all 3 simple tips of how I gained 3,000 subscribers in just 3 days. And make sure you stick around to the end, because that's when I'm gonna give y'all my favorite tip, my absolute best tip that helped me gain 3,000 subscribers in just 3 days. What's good? It's your boy TimelessRoc with TR Mentality, man. Before we get into the video, make sure y'all own y'all own shit. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, if you follow all these tips, you guaranteed to grow your channel faster than everybody else starting out. Tip number 1 is to provide value. Now, I speak about this all the time. You have to be providing value in every single video you post. It's about taking advantage of every time somebody comes across your face, they know you're gonna be giving some value. You're gonna be giving them some game. You're gonna help them grow. You're gonna help them become better at their craft. These are things that you want tied to your face. So whenever somebody sees you, they know for a fact that you're gonna give them exactly what they need to be better at whatever they want to do in life. Now, you do this by forming topics that other people want to know and that they need to know. Now, this is marketing 101. This goes for anything you're gonna do in life. Why would people care about you when there's millions of other people doing exactly what you do? You can provide value in the form of knowledge. You can provide value in the form of entertainment. And using these simple drop downs like education and entertainment, that's gonna make creating content way more simple, and you're gonna be able to be way more consistent with it because you know what you're here for. Every time you write down new ideas and new topics to go ahead and make a video on, you know exactly what's the foundation. You know where you're starting from. So make sure you're providing value in all your videos, so that way you get the most out of every video. So every time somebody come across it, you definitely gonna get engagement and you're gonna gain followers. Number 2, now this step right here, this is a no-brainer. You have to post every single day. I tell people this all the time when I'm going live. I'm telling people and I'm giving game on what you should be doing to go ahead and gain subscribers or followers on any platform as fast as possible. You have to make sure you post every day. Now, some people might say, oh, I can't post every day because I'm doing this and I'm doing that. So my response to that would be post as much as possible. You know, that's the best way to really put it. You got to post as much as possible. Now, rather that's every 3 days or every 2 days, every other day, whatever. You have to find something that works for you, and you got to be consistent with it. Of course, if you post every single day, for me personally, I post multiple times a day. I'm posting 3 to 5 times every single day on all platforms. So you got to keep in mind, the more you post, the more chances you giving yourself to be found and actually gain some more followers. Because all this stuff takes time. It takes a lot of hard work. So you can't expect stuff to happen overnight. But the more you post, you got to look at it like that. I'm going to gain as fast as possible. Consistency always wins in any field you're going to be in. Rather it's playing sports. The more you in the gym, the better you're going to get at your craft. If you're a music artist like me, the more you in the studio, which is why I recommend getting a home studio, you're going to get better at making music. And that's just how it's going to work with everything you do in life, man. Consistency always wins. You got to post as much as possible. Number 3. Now, this is the absolute holy grail on YouTube right now and all social medias right now, actually. And that's YouTube Shorts. Short form content is taking over every social media right now. You have to be posting short form content, and you got to master short form content to understand how to catch people's attention. Because with short form content, the flip side of that is that people consuming content so fast, so you got such a small window to actually catch somebody's attention before they just scroll past your shit and never look back. So in this YouTube short right here, I just plug one of my favorite tips to catching the audience attention as soon as the video starts, and then I could go ahead and talk about what I want to talk about. So make sure you go ahead and check out that short right there. It's a small, simple trick that you can do, and you can implement in all your short form content to help catch people's attention, and then provide your value so that they stick around forever and they become a follower and they become a part of your brand and they become a part of your audience and they follow you and they really support you and they trust you in anything you say. And also, every platform that has short form content, so YouTube Shorts, they're pushing that content right now. They want more people to see it. So the more people that post, the more you post, they're going to reward you for that. They're going to make sure you get the views that you're looking for. And when you get those views, obviously the inevitable is that you're going to gain followers, and that's going to bring in a lot more traffic to your channel to go ahead and get get them eyes on your other content that you got on your page. When it come to Instagram, I don't post nothing but IG Reels right now. I'm barely posting any pictures. I'm barely posting any regular little feed videos, any IGTVs, anything like that. I'm posting strictly IG Reels because that's what they want right now. So all short form content, make sure you stick to the short form content. That's going to bring your traffic and your reach to a whole nother level. If you somebody that's looking to make content, YouTube is one of the best places to do that, especially starting out. So down below, I have a free download link to a tool called TubeBuddy. It's a free Chrome extension that's going to help you find the best tags for your videos, the best titles for your videos, how to optimize your videos in the search engine, and it's going to overall help you grow faster than all your competition. And with that being said, man, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. Also, go ahead and comment your thoughts. Comment how these tips going to help you in your content journey. And also, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And I'm out of here, man.
You've been heavy on my mind, I can't be around all the time. I know you want it, but I can't be the niggas that's hindered they chicken dinner. I'm the nigga in the jungle getting jiggy with gorillas. I've been taking notes, I'm the realest. From beginning wasn't winning, had to get it on my own. Now we winning with no loan.